Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty and Bank Nifty both were seen struggling yesterday. Nifty went higher in the beginning, then went lower, negative. There was a recovery, went higher again, came back lower, and finally closed flat. Though it was not extremely flat, but in a 25,000 index or a 24,000 index, this is not something which one can celebrate about. While the fact that it did not breach a new low or the previous low, that is something that can be taken positively. On short-term frame, on a very immediate basis, let us say 15 minutes time frame, Nifty has formed higher tops, higher bottoms, which is a signal of trend reversal. When I say trend reversal, it should not be taken as a bottom-out process. We are talking about 15 minutes time frame here and not the daily or the weekly charts. In this particular aspect, Nifty can move up by 200-300 points, maybe a little higher. This is in line with what we have been talking about, that Nifty has supports at 23,000. Once it sustains 23,265 on hourly basis, it can head towards 23,600, 23,700 levels. Bank Nifty also looking good, but compared to comparing Nifty and Bank Nifty, trades are more lucrative in Nifty index as compared to Bank Nifty. Immediate supports for the market stands at 23,140. Decent supports at 20,000 levels. These are spot levels. US markets yesterday closed on a positive note. The US CPI numbers came back positive, and that propelled the markets. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, all of the indices were seen celebrating anywhere between 1.5% to 2%. If you look at the dollar index, that was down. It's moved down from 109.8 to 109. The US 10-year yield has also dropped, not significantly, but there has been a drop. And if both of these factors start retracing, that would mean equities can get a push. Where that happens, we'll have to see. On the other hand, crude is on the cusp of a breakout. It's yo-yoing between 79 to 81 levels. A close above 81 would push it towards 90 levels. Now, that is something that may not be wanted by the incoming US president. So whether Trump makes a statement or not, it's for us to see. And the interesting aspect and a very good thing beyond markets, the peace talks have resulted in a truce between Hamas and Israel, and that can give a boost to the markets and also the sentiments. GIFT Nifty is, however, pointing towards 150 points upside as we speak. We open on a positive note, a gap up note. As long as yesterday's lows are sustained, we are heading towards 23,600, 23,700. FIs yesterday sold around 4,500 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 3,600 crores worth in cash. So on a decent day, we are seeing FIs being still on the sell side. Yes, it's being absorbed by the DIs, but how effective that will be going forward, that is going to be a question mark, because we have seen capitulation also starting in many of the names. Yesterday, when markets were stable, many of the stocks were still correcting, especially in the broader market. So if that continues, we may see a new swing low being made in a very short span of time. But if markets are stabilizing, broader markets, then this rally, at least for the next 1 week, we can remain positive. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.